Rt-Eg02 to one of the high-level electronic motorcycles in the showroom of the Bentley. Let's get started.
This Eg02 and this one is for the siren, this cable, and this cable for the positive and negative, and this one it is the alarm. This one is the power cable from the controller. This one is the alarm cable from the controller also. This is siren. Our siren will replace the bike alarm totally.
The wiring is quite simple. We finish it very fast.
Right now we connect our Eg02 to the electric bike. And every electric bike, if the electric bike has the alarm connector, then it can work with our Eg02. This is alarm connector from the controller. This is power cable also from the controller. And our device supports 9 to 90 voltage bikes. It is widely used. And this is siren. This siren can replace the bike siren totally. Yeah, that's it.
The tracker started working.
Okay, this is our device. We can see right now it is online. Let's go have a ride outside.
This Bentley electric motorcycle is high quality, durable, powerful, and stable. Bentley is one of the top 3 brands in Guangdong province. Jack is going to ride the scooter, which is installed with our Eg02 GPS tracker. The building is the exhibition center of Bentley. Nice ride!
Now we see the bike on the app. This one is this one. Yeah.
Now you can see the back is off. You can see the screen is off, and you can see the keys is off. Now we are going to turn on the back by the track solid application.
Mount. Engine switch. On. See? Now it's on.
Yeah, now we show you how to turn off the scooter by the application.
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah, it's off. Now we are going to show you the vibration alert. The Eg02 tracker can lock the motor if it detects the wheel movement when the bike is parking. Yeah, now Jack will push the back. Yeah, the wheel is moved. The tracker detected the movement and locked the motor. Yeah, he can't push it anymore. Other trial of the electric motorcycle very powerful and stable. It is a nice trip to Benin today. We tested our GPS tracker, we tried the electric motorcycle, and we talked with the Benin's technicians and sales managers. Very nice factory.